What's going on, everybody? Welcome back. As you know, on my channel, I discuss everything from selling car parts on eBay, what I do, how I do it, and I show you guys exactly what I sell and for how much. Hopefully that helps you out if you guys are starting out in a side hustle project or a business like I do it from my house. So in this video, I'm going to talk about shipping. More specifically, I'm going to talk about how much it costs to ship everything out in the last year altogether. A lot of people do free shipping. As you know, if you've been following my videos, I always charge for shipping no matter what. Very rarely, maybe one or two items that I sell with free shipping, and they're usually smaller items. I always charge for shipping, and I know a lot of people do free shipping. I'm not sure how you guys can do that and still make a good profit. Obviously, if you guys are running a big business, you are going to have, shipping discounts with a supplier. But if you guys are like me doing this at your house, trying to save as much money as possible, I find it hard to believe that you guys want to be giving away a lot of money for free shipping. I would assume if you're doing this at your house on the side that you don't have any discounts available to you because you don't do enough volume. So if you're not charging for shipping, you are giving away a lot of money. In the last year, if you guys have watched my video, I sold 102 items. I charged shipping for all 102. The shipping price I had to pay for all those items was $2,311. And that adds up awfully fast. If I did free shipping on all my items, I literally would lose out on over $2,000 worth of profit. That is why I always charge shipping. I usually make some money on the shipping price, but if not, I'm really close to breaking even. Sometimes I spend $10, $15, or $20 a month extra on shipping, but it's much better than spending a couple $100 on shipping. So if you guys are like me and doing 50 to 100 items just on the side, selling on eBay with free shipping, are you guys really giving away $2,000, $3,000 worth of shipping prices? I would think that if you guys are starting out, that you guys would like to keep all of that in your profits. I wrote down the shipping costs of some of the bigger months that I had on eBay last year. In the month that I sold the most, I had $440 worth of shipping costs. I had another month at $323. I had another one at $291, and then another one at $250. So even though you might be making $1,500 to $2,000, once you have to subtract $300 in shipping costs, it brings your profits down a lot further. That's why I don't know why anybody would do free shipping. I have found out that most people will pay shipping prices for a lot of these car parts, especially the bigger ones. People know that they are buying a big item and that they know that it's going to cost them a bit of money to get them. The fact of the matter is that people are still buying used car parts. So even with a shipping price, people are still saving a lot of money compared to buying a new part at a dealership. I would say the only downfall is that you're competing with buyers that have free shipping on their listing, and you might lose some customers to those people. But in the end, I've always sold everything that I've had listed. Sometimes it takes longer than others, but I don't have parts that I throw away because they've been sitting on eBay for 5 years and people aren't buying it just because of a shipping cost. So if you guys are doing free shipping or not even tried, I would put some of your listings with shipping prices and see how that affects your month-to-month profits. I have done a couple videos talking about shipping out and shipping prices and obviously freight shipping videos. So I will leave all of those links in the description if you guys have not seen any of those, if you would like to check them out. If you have any questions or comments about shipping and the prices that I charge, please let me know. I will get back to you. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you next time.